Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you what to do if Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is great and not working on iPhone or iPad. Sometimes an issue may occur where the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options have turned grey on your iPhone or iPad. Grayed out means that the option is currently unavailable or inaccessible. Thus, turning Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on or off becomes impossible. This could occur due to several reasons. For example, grayed out settings could be a result of software bugs or glitches. In this video, I'll explain what you can do if experience this issue. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is update and restart. The first step you should do is restart and ensure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date. As I told you before, grayed out settings could be a result of software bugs or glitches. In such cases, restarting or updating your device to the latest version might resolve the issue. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading and follow the instructions if there is a new version of iOS and iPadOS. If you update your device, and the process also includes a restart. If your device was already up to date, restart your device and you are done. And the next step is force restart. If this step doesn't work, try force restarting. This is also called hard reset. Please note that performing a force restart does not erase any data from your iPhone or iPad. You can do this by pressing certain buttons combination depending on your device. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. If the issue continues, now it is time to reset your network settings. This will erase all of your network related settings, and doing so may fix this great Wi-Fi Bluetooth problem. For this, go to settings, scroll down, next tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If resetting network settings does not help you, you may consider resetting all settings. This reset is one step further than resetting network settings. This will erase all of your settings including your network settings. This will also restore your location and privacy to their factory defaults. The important thing is that your data like your photos will not be deleted. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom, next tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Next, tap on reset all settings and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue if Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is grayed out and not working on iPhone or iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.